Hello, welcome to Tekla Structures Designer 2024 course, and we are at module 3 part 3. Okay, so in the first part we created some errors and we're going to be clearing those errors one by one. Okay, we've cleared the support errors, so now we're going to be clearing member intersection and member collision errors in this part. All right, to start with, now we will first validate our model, okay, to update the status tab. Okay, so you can see that we're having member intersection warning. Okay, so I will right click on this member intersection warning, okay, and highlight items. All right, so now you can see that, okay, the software is flagging, okay, this column, okay, to be intersecting with these two beams. All right, you can remember that our paint floor, okay, and our second floor are similar. So anything we do on the paint floor will be reflected automatically on the second floor. Now, to clear this error, all I need to do, okay, is to press my escape button, select the beam, okay, and create an extra node, okay, at the column support, okay, for the beam. So now there's no more member intersection for this beam and the upper beam. So I'll click on validate again. Okay, so it's still showing member intersection. Let me see which members are still having that error. Okay, so the member having that error, okay, is the member collision error we've created, has also created another member intersection error, since this beam is not resting exactly on this column. So now we will now clear this member intersection error, member collision error. But to do that, let's go to the status bar once more, select the member collision, right click, highlight items. Okay, so the member had been highlighted for us. Okay, so now let me clear that error. Okay, I will press escape key on my keyboard, go to the beam, select the beam. Okay, so if the beam is not getting selected, just point on it, use the arrow keys on your keyboard, okay, to highlight the beam and select the beam. Okay, so all you need to do is to move this node, okay, backward. Okay, so now the beam, okay, is now resting on the column, and there is a node at this column. The same thing with the other beam, there's a node at this column. So that effectively solves the member collision error and also the remaining member intersection error. So I'll validate once more, okay, and you can see that there is no more member intersection and no more member collision. So with that, we've successfully cleared those errors. So we'll now go to the next part, okay, where we'll be clearing slab support errors, okay, and slab opening errors. Right, see you in the next part. Thank you.